Hi, hi guys. Good morning. This is Shazoo Network, and just a boring day today. Well, it's snowing outside. Just a little winter wonderland in northeast Arkansas. So.
The warning alarm test for WXJ51, Jonesboro, has been canceled this week due to the elevated risk of hazardous weather. The weekly test will return as scheduled next Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. The current time is 11:31 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11 a.m. in Jonesboro, while the snow was falling, the temperature was 17 degrees.
That's cold.
Humidity 77%.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flood warning for the White River at Augusta from Thursday morning to Tuesday afternoon. At 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, Wednesday, the stage was 25.4 feet. Flood stage is 26.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast.
That scared me.
Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early tomorrow morning, February 18, to a crest of 27.5 feet Saturday morning, February 20th. It will then fall below flood stage Monday morning, February 22nd. Impact at 26.0 feet. Farm ground along the river in White and Woodruff counties begin to flood. Seasonal agricultural impacts. At 11 a.m. in Jonesboro, light snow is falling. The temperature